So here we are at the parking lot, and Onoma and
ready?
Son are ready. Yes.
You ready?
Here's Michelle.
more?
She may say a few words about this upcoming trip.
Well, it looks like we're going to have a good day hiking. It's a little bit overcast, but not cold. It's a little bit warm. We may get some rain overnight, but we'll be sleeping. So we're going to enjoy the campfire and each other's company and have a good time.
Absolutely, yes. All right, so we covered 1.7 miles so far.
Already?
And what impressions did we get? Anuma, what do you think about this trail?
So far, so good.
Okay.
I love it.
Awesome. What about you, Michelle?
I'm thinking it's a very enjoyable hike so far.
Yeah.
Uphill most of the way, and I need a drink of water.
Okay, well, it's gonna change soon. It's the only uphill we're gonna do.
Thanks. Oh, that's it?
Oh, I'm sorry, Dimitri.
It's okay.
I
So
wasn't even paying
here
attention.
we're at the Pigpen Ford.
Wow.
Good,
It's been a good hike so far. I like it.
Nice. So
Nice weather.
Jump in the water.
We got to see some wild animals. I mean horses.
So clearly horses cross on the other side. But anyways, we reached Chattooga River. So how far did we go, Michelle?
6.13 miles so far.
What do you think? All right, I think this video looks darker than it is. But here we are at our campsite. It's 5:30, and well, we actually came back to this one. We tried to find a better place, but we figured that this is the best we can do. And now we actually already got some firewood, and I think we're starting a fire sometime soon. Are you happy too? Are you happy too? Go play. Go play. Go play. Good morning, good morning. Frisky. Frisky. Oh, look at this puppy love. Look at this puppy love. Did you sleep well, Frisky? Did you sleep well, Frisky? Что такое? Oh, look at this excited to listen. Oh. Oh. So what happened last night?
Oh, it's so windy and heavy rain. And then I think around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, I heard the sound like thump. I think a big tree came down.
What are you doing there, Frisky? Are you trying to beg?
Hey, 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 hey.
So we just said goodbye to this beautiful campsite.
Here we go.
We loved it, right?
This was an awesome campsite. Heck yeah, I want to come back. I want to come back when it's warm and go swimming.
Absolutely, yeah. Goodbye campsite. We enjoyed you very, very much. Nice area for hammocking, maybe not so much for tenting. And beautiful river, some rapids. Very nice. Frisky, come. Come. All right, we made it.
Awesome hike.
All right, we made it. Here.